Hi, I'm Wanda with Jimmy Branch Homestead, and today I'm making another one of my childhood favorites, banana pudding. So I do cheat, I don't make it all from scratch. I've measured out 3 cups of milk into my saucepan, and then I use the Jell-O cook and serve. Now I have tried it with the Jell-O that you do not cook, and I just don't care for it. So I always use the Jell-O cook and serve. So my milk is cold. I haven't yet turned on the burner, but I'm going to go ahead and add the pudding mix so that I can start stirring it in. Okay, I'm just going to put that in there. And start stirring. Oh, it smells so good. My mother made this for us every Thanksgiving, and it was always a favorite of mine. And then when I grew up and had children, I also made it every Thanksgiving, and my children loved it as well. So we're just going to keep stirring that in. And I have the heat on medium to medium-low. We don't want to heat it too fast. And we're just going to keep stirring until it thickens. And then when it thickens, it's done. Okay, it's just starting to thicken now. So it'll still take a couple more minutes or so. I've been stirring it about 7 or 8 minutes. Again, I have the heat on medium-low. And I've been constantly stirring. It's still not thickened, so I'm going to cut back to you in a couple minutes. So it's starting to thicken up pretty good now, but we need to bring this to a full boil. You can see and feel that it's thickening. And it's been about 12 minutes. Again, though, I have my heat on medium-low. Yours may vary depending on your stove. It's trying to start boiling on the sides, I see. I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if I can help you. Okay, so it's starting to boil pretty good now. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, I'm going to shut off the burner. Let it calm down. And while I was stirring off camera with one hand, I was putting vanilla wafers in my compote bowl. I like to serve these in a glass bowl. It can be any glass bowl, but I particularly like this one because it's so pretty when we're done. So hopefully you can see the wafers. I'm using vanilla wafers. I usually use the ones that are just called Vanilla Wafers. They are the best wafer I have found, but these were on sale, and this is what I got yesterday. So, my pudding is done, and I'm going to bring it over here on a hot pad. So it's closer to me. Okay. So I am just going to kind of slowly scoop this out over my vanilla wafers. I keep calling them vanilla. And I just want to cover them because we're going to make several layers of goodies. You'll see in a moment. Oh, my bowl's clouding up. So I just cover the wafers, and then that's enough. All right, so next I do a layer of banana. Just sliced banana. Probably should have a bowl here to put these in. Sorry about that. I don't want to just drop them in there. I like to place them in there and make them all pretty. But you can do it however you like. And I typically slice these, maybe 1/8 of an inch thick. In the very end, I eat. Okay. You only want to cut these as you go because otherwise the bananas will turn brown. But with the pudding on top, they'll be fine. I know it's nowhere near Thanksgiving, but I just got a hankering for it the other day. And we'll put a small one right there. I think about 1 banana is going to be about right for each layer. Of course, the bowl does taper out a little bit, so it may end up being a little more, but let me grab a paper towel. Okay, and then I'm just going to add another thin layer of the pudding. I'm thinking I might have used 2 packages for this bowl. Oh well, you'll get the idea. Okay, next we do another layer of vanilla wafers. And I always try to use the whole ones because they look so much prettier and work better. Okay, another layer of pudding. And a layer of banana. Okay, I'll show you how that looks inside, in case you can't see that. Okay, so you always want to end up with a layer of wafers. So we're going to put the rest of this pudding on now to cover up the bananas. And stretch it as far as we can. Yeah, I'm sure I always used at least 2 boxes now that because my bowl's a lot fuller than this, but for only 2 of us, this will be great. So I'm just going to kind of use the whisk to finish smearing it out. And we had just enough to cover the bananas. Okay, so the last layer will be the wafers again. Guess I could have cut the bananas thicker, then maybe you would have seen them better on the sides. Once this cools, I'll keep it in the refrigerator. And that's all there is to it. Banana cream pudding with bananas and vanilla wafers. Another favorite from my childhood. If you're enjoying this type of video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share our videos. It's the best way you can help us to grow our channel. Thank you so much for watching Jimmy Branch Homestead. God bless.